For decades, the process of writing software meant developers were spending 90% of their work hours grinding on boiler code. This friction acts as a barrier, trapping creative concepts behind tedious environment configurations and environment setups. On March 19, 2026, Google launched a major upgrade to Google AI Studio. The update targets the friction pipeline that exists between an initial idea and a deployable product. The core feature headlining the launch is full-stack vibe coding. This allows developers to build and deploy production-ready applications directly within the browser using natural language. You describe high-level intent, and the AI interprets that vibe to produce functional front-end code. Vibe coding lowers the barrier to entry by shifting the human task from translating syntax to articulating intent. But a front-end UI is just a shell. Functional applications require deep, complex logic. To manage this, Google integrated the Antigravity Coding Agent into the AI Studio backend. Antigravity acts as a senior pair programmer capable of executing multi-step edits across an entire codebase. It suggests necessary architectural changes and manages implementation tasks, such as installing external software libraries. The Antigravity agent frees the developer to focus on creative direction rather than dependency management. On the infrastructure side, AI Studio now features native integration with Firebase. This includes auto-provisioning. If an app requires logins, the system instantly spins up Cloud Firestore databases and Firebase Authentication, Google's tools for storing data and verifying user identities. But the true test of this newly integrated system is the incredibly demanding environment of real-time multiplayer gaming. Google showcased these capabilities with Neon Arena, a multiplayer game built using a single prompt. By handling complex state syncing, AI Studio outputs interactive backends without manual DevOps, the traditional process of managing the relationship between software development and IT operations. For security, Google introduced a built-in secrets manager. This securely stores credentials and API keys, the digital keys that allow software programs to communicate. Google also announced a business timeline. The standalone Firebase Studio will be sunset by March 22, 2027. Users are being directed to migrate to the Advanced AI Studio or the Antigravity IDE, an integrated development environment used to build software. This migration fuses Google's advanced AI models with its underlying cloud infrastructure. This creates a closed-loop ecosystem designed for modern cloud-native application development. With the UI, logic, and infrastructure handled natively, the software stack is now automated. The human role shifts to a conceptual director of AI agents. Building secure, real-time cloud applications is now as simple as describing them. Are you ready to step into the role of conceptual director? Let us know in the comments.